Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change the auto-translate language on LinkedIn. Whether you're networking globally or simply want to customize your experience, this step-by-step process will help you adjust your language settings in no time. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once it's loaded, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the Me icon. This is where you'll find all your account-related options. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. From here, navigate to the Account Preferences section. This is where LinkedIn allows you to manage various preferences for your account. Under Account Preferences, locate and tap on Content Language. This is the setting that controls the language used for translating posts and content across LinkedIn. Now, you'll see an option labeled Change next to the current language setting. Tap on this option to open a list of available languages. Finally, choose your preferred language from the list provided. Once selected, LinkedIn will automatically update its auto-translate feature to reflect your new choice. And that's it. You've successfully updated your auto-translate language on LinkedIn. This small adjustment can make a big difference in enhancing your professional networking experience by ensuring content is displayed in a language you're most comfortable with. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.